Hi there, students. To ingratiate. To ingratiate yourself with somebody. Okay, this is to get in their good books. To get them to have a favourable opinion of them by trying to please them, by flattering them. To curry favour with somebody. So the student that brings an apple every day for the teacher is trying to ingratiate themselves with the teacher. Okay? Or he was always bringing presents for his aunt because he was trying to ingratiate himself with her. He's always trying to ingratiate himself with his boss by laughing at his boss's bad jokes and agreeing with his points of view. He's ingratiating himself with his workmates by always offering to do the dirty jobs. So he's trying to find a way to get them to like him. Yeah, it's maybe a bit sycophantic, trying to get into somebody's good books. Okay, and normally the construction is reflexive, or the verb is reflexive, to ingratiate yourself with somebody. Now, there have even been psychological pieces of research. There has even been psychological research about ingratiation. Notice, ingratiation, pronunciation. And they split ingratiation into various methods. Paying people compliments, either true ones or false ones. Conformity of opinion, so having the same opinion or agreeing with this person's opinions. Self-promotion, telling this person how wonderful you are. Or doing favours for them. Here, let me get you some coffee. Then there's false modesty. Oh, you're too kind. I'm not really that clever at this. You can make jokes with the person. So if you're making jokes with someone, you're showing that you're in their group, and if they like the jokes, then you're probably going to ingratiate yourself with them quite effectively. You can use name dropping. Name dropping is giving the names of important or influential people that you know, and if you're lucky, that will impress them, and then that's the way to ingratiate yourself. And then you can also ingratiate yourself by making somebody dependent on you. They need you because you do things for them that they can't do. So these are all ways that you can get yourself into somebody's good books, to curry favour with them. Now, apparently they did experiments in various restaurants with people who went to the restaurants. And in one restaurant, they paid compliments, true compliments, to the people who were dining. And in the other restaurant, less compliments. And the ones who got more compliments left bigger tips. So ingratiation clearly works to a certain level. Okay, this comes from Italian, ingratiare, into favour, which comes from Latin, in gratiam, gratiam gratus, pleasing, so into something pleasing. Okay, so to ingratiate yourself with someone, to get a good opinion of yourself in their mind. So, next question, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. I think you can use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal document, and a very formal writing. So it's a useful word. And notice also it's a regular verb. He ingratiated himself with them. He has ingratiated himself very successfully. Okay, so to ingratiate, to do anything you can to get people to like you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. It's one good way to ingratiate yourself with me. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ingratiate.